Hello everyone, this is Isabel, and today we're gonna talk about how to make a Filipino say I do. The goal for this video is to guide men on the qualities that makes a Filipina feel ready to marry. Have you ever wondered how to make a Filipino say I do? It is not about the grand gestures or the fancy rings, although those can be nice too. What really matters is what's in your heart and how you show up every single day. Filipinos wants a partner who feels like a friend every day. Filipino wants a partner that feels like a best friend, someone who respects us and stand beside us through thick and thin. Today, let me share a secret that makes the Filipino ready to say yes forever. Number one, trust and the foundation. Trust is everything. We all know that. Without trust, no relationship can grow stronger and strong enough for a marriage. We want to know that you will be honest, that you will keep your promises, and that we can rely on you when life gets so hard. It's the little things that shows up every day, keeping your word, and being faithful. When we feel safe and secure in your love, that's when the idea of forever becomes so real. Task 2 is to respect our family and values. Family is a big part of our lives, and we want a partner who respects and honors that. It's not just about getting along with our parents or siblings, but about understanding our traditions and cultures. That's what matters most to us. When you take time about our culture, and to learn about our traditions and values, and you show respect, it says a lot about your character. That respect makes us feel proud and loved, and it deepens our connection in ways words can't fully express. Task 3 is being a partner, not just a boyfriend. Marriage means being a partner through everything, not just the fun moments, but also the struggles too. Filipinos want a man who listens, who shares responsibilities, who supports us emotionally and practically. It's about teamwork and caring for each other's happiness and growth. When you step up as a true partner, it shows that you are ready for a relationship and for the commitment of a marriage. That kind of love makes us feel more excited to say I do. Lastly is be consistent, even in the small things. Sometimes it's not about the big declarations that makes a Filipina ready to commit. Remembering the little details that she shared with you a little weeks ago. Being present even on your tired days. Consistency builds emotional security. It tells her that you're not just good at the beginning, you're also reliable for the long-term hope. And that's when the idea of marriage starts to feel safe and beautiful. So, to summarize it all, if you want to hear those magical words, remember it's more than just a proposal day. It's about the way you love that Filipina and you love that partner every day that leading up to it. Be honest. Be kind, be patient, and be respectful. Show her that you will stand with her no matter what. Because when a Filipina feels cherished and loved, and when her heart is full of trust and hope, that's when she's ready to say yes and mean with it with all her heart. That's the love that lasts a lifetime. So, everyone, share some heartwarming stories with your Filipino partner under the comments below. Also, like and subscribe for more talks about this in the coming days. Bye!